50,000 new regulations per year, 215 reg changes per day, manually rolling them across your businesses. This is what it's like to be a bank. Painful. How do you keep up and protect the firm? Well, a proven answer is ClauseMatch, a doc collaboration software provider. ClauseMatch provides one place for regulations and policies, one place for real-time reviews, automation, and a nice audit trail. The result, a 40% reduction in process, a 39% increase in on-time policy refresh, and peace of mind of a single source of truth. So it's my pleasure to introduce Jay Leodid, the CEO, who will tell you more.
Hi, I am Jay, founder and CEO of ClauseMatch. As you may know, regulatory violations cost banks a mind-boggling $850 billion in the last 12 years. Regulators have been working round the clock to make markets safer by sending out thousands of updates and guidance notes each year. On the other end, compliance teams are trying really hard to keep up. But the regulatory landscape has become so complex that it became a nightmare to navigate and implement. I was one of those people at Morgan Stanley working on regulatory change projects, and the only tools we had available to us were Word documents, emails, and spreadsheets. And it was so painful and frustrated at times. If you ever tried to find a policy document that is related to a regulation, it really feels like going on an archaeological dig. And then once you find it and change it, how many others are impacted? Actually, no one knows. I believe that we need an engineering approach to help compliance, regulatory, and risk teams to cope with this complexity. This is exactly why I started ClauseMatch, where we have worked with many teams from large institutions to figure it out. Together, we built a real-time collaboration platform that transforms the way they work today. Banks, insurance, and FinTech firms such as Barclays and Revolut use ClauseMatch platform for two things: policy management and regulatory change. With our policy management solution, we help Barclays to speed up their policy refresh cycle by 40%. They now have an automated audit trail going back 3 years and a single place for every employee to find the latest compliance policy from desktop and mobile. With our AI algorithms, we help our clients to manage regulatory change and map relevant policies to regulatory obligations. This brings complete transparency and proof to the regulators that the bank considered the regulations and communicated them to employees through policies. ClauseMatch is 50 people strong today, with offices in Europe, Asia, and now the US. We're super excited to be part of the FinTech Innovation Lab, as it opened doors for us to the US market. Just in the first few weeks, we already started a live implementation with one of the largest US banks, and we're working on POCs with 2 more. Our technology has found a warm welcome here, especially in the current climate where the entire workforce is working from home, and organizations have to find new tools to adapt fast. Through our platform, business continuity plans and disaster recovery policies could be updated and communicated to everyone in real time. Reach out to us and we'll help you to reduce cost, avoid regulatory fines, and provide your teams with modern tools so they can concentrate on higher value work. Thank you.